time we were opening the Mini Brands books, which was perfect for me because I'm an English teacher and books are kind of my thing. And the Mini Brands books are a lot of fun because they're little mini books and the first 2 pages are readable. So we did this for a really long time, but they haven't come out with a new series for a while. So I asked over on my other channels, what should we open next? And somebody decided to tell me about these Mini Brands vinyl records that actually play. And when I tell you the scream I scrum when I heard that you could have actual records that play music, my goodness, we were into something. So we went and we got some, and we're gonna open them together today. So let's open some blind boxes. If you're new here, my name is Tamara Hancock. I'm a former high school English teacher, and now I just like to learn and try literally everything, from snacks to vacation things to blind boxes. Today we are opening Mini Brands vinyl, and I am really excited about this. Now, I am a musician myself, so I really like music. I play the violin. I'm also into like 80s hair bands. I don't even know how to open this thing. You buy the record player separately. A little record. Hold on. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're not gonna take it off. We're just gonna leave it on. Does that work? Wow! I'm excited! Yeah, we're just gonna leave all this in here because I am far too impatient to figure this out. Okay. Oh, you guys, there's instructions on how to take it all off of here, but why would I want to do that? That's no fun. Teaching Mrs. H struggles with a child's toy. I put the record on it. Instructions would probably be a lot smarter. Okay, this is fun. This is fun. Now that we know how it all works, because that took a minute, of course we got some blind balls with records in them too. So let's open these. These are so cute. So I have a record player, like an actual vinyl record player that was my husband's grandmother's, and she collected vinyl through her whole life. She had so many records, and she actually ended up giving me a bunch of her collection before she passed away. She and I went through her records and she picked out a whole bunch of them. So if you want to see that record collection, like, drop it in the comments and we'll go through it together. But I actually love my vinyl. It's so much fun. Mini Brands, can I make a suggestion? Maybe just one layer of plastic. They're so hard to open. I don't know how many records are in each one. I don't know how many records are available. I don't know any of this because I like, you know, part of the fun is in the journey. That's paperwork. I don't want. Oh, they give us a shelf to put them on. How fun! We'll put this together. So that goes there, and that goes there, and that goes on there. These aren't super complicated. And then this goes probably before you put everything together. Ta-da! And we put all the records in there. We've got our little bookcase to put them in. What records do I want? I don't even know because I don't know what's included. It's the Commodores, you guys. My Gen X heart is happy. When I was a kid, I used to go traveling with my sister in her Jeep, and on my birthday, the number one thing we would do, and I know it's the Eagles, not the Commodores, but the number one thing we would do is drive around in her Jeep with the top down playing Hotel California. Okay, we're trying to find out if it's double-sided, and what happened was my camera just shut down, so this is fun. All right, here we go. Let's find out. Are they double-sided? This is the Commodores. It's ridiculous how fun these things are for me. I don't even know why. I'm a fully grown adult. Okay. Okay, this is so much fun. Let's see. Is it double-sided? Does it play 2 songs or does it play 1? Okay, it plays the same song on both sides. No, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, here we go. Let's put it back in the thing. So cute. It's got the little sleeve in this one, but I haven't looked at it yet, so I don't know what it is. Here we go. Neil Diamond. If this isn't Sweet Caroline, I'm writing. It's gotta be Sweet Caroline, right? Like, what else would it be? Song Sung Blue, I guess, maybe, but okay, here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh. How much of it does it play? Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so we were on a catamaran out in the middle of Costa Rica one time, and we were sitting there on the ship, and all of a sudden the captain played Sweet Caroline, and literally the dance party that broke out. I don't know. Something with Americans and Sweet Caroline. Here it is. I don't know what that one is. Let's play the song, see if we can find out. My music taste is so eclectic because I grew up with sisters that ranged in age from 4 years older than me to 15 years older than me, so I listen to everything. Okay. My students would know this. I don't know that, but I don't hate it. So there we go. People are going to be yelling at me in the comments. How did you not know that? You guys, I am an old Gen X woman. I don't know a lot of things. And I'm freely admitting that. This looks like one more I might not know, but we'll see. Every year in my classroom, I have my students make me a playlist, and so I do get to hear a lot of this music. I just don't necessarily know who the artists are. Is it bad that I know a lot of these from like TikTok? I can hear you in the comments already. I know, I'm an old lady. Okay, boomer me all you want, but I like it. I love it. I never know who sang this song. Before we get into the next capsule, I do need to mention the sponsor of today's video, which is Pearwood Color Dye Shampoo. This is an excellent shampoo that takes all of the gray, not all of the gray, but it will go in, wash it in, you let it sit for like 10 minutes, and it reduces the gray in your hair. I really like it because it also conditions my hair at the same time. It doesn't make my hair feel straw-like, and it's only like a 10-minute commitment instead of like 4 hours in a salon. It's got whole wood extracts and a bunch of different botanicals that make it good for your hair. And again, you can do this multiple times without worrying about hair damage. I really enjoy my Pearwood shampoo. I do use it about once every 2 weeks. And the other thing is it doesn't leave the stain on your hands or a ring in your bathtub. So if you're interested in the Pearwood shampoo, the link will be in my bio below. Okay, capsule number 2. It came with this. I forgot to push record or something, but it came with this. I think it's a little table that holds your record player, but I'm just gonna leave the record player here because I like the setup. 4 records, yay! Okay, let's see what else we got. Again, there's paperwork. If you're interested in what's in here, here's a quick view of all of them. I really don't care to know what's in it because I think it's more fun that way, and then I don't feel disappointed when I don't get the ones I want. Also, we've got Sweet Caroline, so like we've already hit the deck. My eyes are so bad, I can't read it. That's Peaches. We're gonna open them all and then we'll listen. Sting! Heck yeah! I got these in the toy aisle at Target, by the way, so if you're interested in that. Again, not sponsored, I just like this. I have no idea who that band is, but it looks like fun. Okay. And again, I can't tell who that band is, but there's another one. I have so much fun opening these blind boxes. I think the next thing that I'm going to do is masterpieces because a bunch of you have suggested that I open the masterpieces. If there's something, a blind box you're interested in seeing somebody open, let me know. Put it in the comments. And make sure you subscribe so that you can see. Okay. Again, I don't know who this is. Oh! This is on one of my classroom playlists. That's what that is. Okay. I don't know how this works. Like, is there a magnet in here that tells the thing what to play? I have no idea how this works. I'm enthralled. If somebody wants to explain it to me, please do. I have heard this before. Again, it's on one of my classroom playlists. These record players, they're so much fun. Obviously, they can't play a whole song because that's probably like copyright issues or something. We're gonna go with Peaches and Cream. My daughter just graduated from college, and I had my nail tech do my nails in her college colors. So, what should we do next? I mean, I don't have anything coming up, so what should we put on our nails next? Okay. Okay. I I don't recognize bands by their names, but their music I get. I am in love with these. Whoever told me to do this, first of all, thank you, but also no thank you. All right, and then let's see what we have from Sting. Done. I have a whole vinyl collection downstairs. If you want a walkthrough of the vinyl collection, please let me know. We'll make a video about that. This is so much fun. Okay, if there's any other blind boxes that you want me to try and open, please let me know in the comments and we will open them together. But I think I'm gonna have to go get more of these vinyls. Maybe if I have duplicates, we can make some fun earrings. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.